In this guide, I'll show you how to add friends on GTA 5 Online, and this works on PS4, PS5, Xbox, or PC. So, what you want to do is press Start or Escape on your keyboard, and from here, you want to navigate over to Online. And then once you're here, you should see the option Players, so go ahead and select that now. Now, here's where you're going to see in your online lobby all of the people that are in your current session. And in order to add someone as a friend, all you have to do is highlight their name and then you want to select them. And from here, you'll have the ability to send a friend request, and you can also invite them to your crew here. So, what I'm going to do is select send friend request, and it's going to bring me to this page. And if you have a look in the top right corner, it said friend request was sent to that person. Now we're going to go back, and if you scroll on over to friends at the top, once they add you as a friend, you will be able to select their name. And from here, you can send them a game invite, or you can invite them to your crew here as well. If this guide was helpful, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.